Hello again, my dear friend. You've arrived here once more in this quiet space where the world slows down and your heart can rest. Tonight, I want to talk with you about something soft, something steady, something that grows stronger with time, gentle consistency. Many of us believe that change must be big, dramatic, and fast. We think that if we cannot run, then walking is useless. If we cannot climb the whole mountain today, then there is no point in taking even one step. But my dear, that is not how life really works. Think of the ocean. It does not crash all at once. It moves in steady waves, again and again, without stopping. And because of those waves, even rocks are shaped, even mountains are softened. Change is not always about doing everything at once. Real, lasting change often comes from small steps, repeated with love. Imagine a candle. When you light it, the flame is small, almost fragile. But if you light it again tomorrow, and again the day after, little by little, that gentle flame becomes a steady source of comfort. Gentle consistency is like that. You may not notice its power at first, but when you look back after many days, you see how far you have come. One kind word to yourself every day. One deep breath every morning. One moment of rest every night. These little things grow into something strong. Let me tell you a story. There was once a stone lying in the forest. Rain would fall on it, drop by drop. At first, the stone did not change. Days passed, weeks, months, but the rain did not give up. Drop after drop, the stone softened. A small hollow began to form, and in time, a tiny flower grew from that hollow, fed by water and sunlight. Consistency, even when gentle, shapes the hardest things. It can shape fear. It can shape doubt. It can shape even the heavy weight of sadness. Sometimes we think, if I can't do it perfectly, why even try? But gentle consistency is not about perfection. It's about showing up. You don't need to meditate for an hour every day. Even 1 minute of stillness helps. You don't need to write 10 pages in a journal. Even one honest sentence matters. You don't need to smile all day. Even one moment of gratitude softens the heart. Perfection is heavy. Consistency is light. And light is easier to carry every day. Remember the garden we talked about before? Gentle consistency is like watering that garden every day. You don't flood the soil with buckets of water once a month and expect it to flourish. You give it a little water regularly, patiently, and slowly leaves open, flowers bloom, roots grow deeper. This is how your heart grows too, through small, repeated acts of love. Let's practice together. Take a slow breath in and let it out gently. Do it again.